morning, 8Cs, receiving school students and teachers. Thank you. You may sit down. All right. Samuel, please. Can you tell the receiving students what you looked at in your previous lesson? In our previous lesson, what did you look at? All right, receiving students, you can also tell the class. Or what did you learn in the previous lesson?
We learned about the grid references.
Again?
We learned about reference.
Okay, thank you, Samuel. All right, grid referencing. Okay, good. Now on a grid, we have lines running from north to south and east to west. Lines running from east to west. All right, let's have okay, Mary. Mary, can you tell us what are the lines that run from east to west? What are they called? Okay, receiving students. The lines that run from east to west on a grid.
The lines that run from east to west are called northings.
Are called northings. Yes? You agree? Lines that run from east to west and numbers that are beside on the left or on the right, they are called northings. Okay, northing numbers. Very good. Okay, lines that run from north to south. Okay, let's have Bobby. Okay, receiving students, tell us.
Easting.
Okay, very good. Eastings. And Eastings, the numbers are, where are they located, the numbers? Okay, at the bottom or at the top, okay? All right, at the bottom or at the top, they are called the Eastings. So when you want to locate a place using grid reference, you look at the Easting first. So always Easting comes first and then northing, okay? All right, let's have Andy. Before we start our lesson, Andy, can you say your 6 times table, please? All right, receiving students, you can go up to the front and say your 6 times table before we start off our lesson. Okay, Andy, can you come here, please? Can you come up to the front?
Six, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 22, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72.
Andy, I heard you say 22. Say it again.
6, 12, 18, 24, 28, 30, 36, 40, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72.
Okay, wait first. You said 28, did you? Again. This time you must get it right.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72.
Very good. Okay, Andy. Now let's have okay. Hane, can you come and say your 8 times table, please? You come up here. If you want, you can go 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. That's up to you. Andy's got the mic. Okay, receiving students, you can say your 8 times table. Ha 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 ha.
16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96.
96. Okay, thank you, Hane. All right. Paulus. Okay, Paulus, can you say your 9 times table? Thank you. Right.
9, 18, 27, 20, 27, 36, 35, 35, 60, 9, 18, 27, 36.
Emmanuel. Okay, again.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 100, and 108.
Paulus, Emmanuel was telling you. So can you say it again, please? Emmanuel? Okay.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 36, 45, 54, 54, 63, 63, 63, 72, 81, 81, 90, 99, 108.
Okay. Thank you, Paulus. All right. Okay. Next one. Can we have Imon, please? Can you say your 7 times? 7 times table? Okay, receiving students, your 7 times table. Okay, you can go 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21.
7, 14, 21, 7, 14, 20, 28, 35, 42,
Yes.
49,
Uh-huh. Okay, yeah.
59, 56, 56, 63,
Yes.
70, 77,
Uh-huh.
18, 81, 84.
84. Okay, thank you, Imon. 7 times table. Okay, we'll have the last one, Raymond. Raymond. Okay, Raymond, can you say your 12 times table, please? Okay, listen.
12, 24, 30, 36, 36, 48, 48, 54, 64, 60, 72, 72, 72, 80, 84, 96, 96, 108, 100, 112, 100, 122, 120, 120.
Okay, you start again. 12 once. Okay.
Masih tutup, masih mau biar.
Okay.
12, 24, 36, 48, 64, 60, 72, 84, 84, 72, 84, 96, 100, 108, 120, 100, 132, 144.
Okay, thank you, Raymond. All right. He said 60. Did he say 60 or 64? 64. 64 is wrong, right? Okay. But anyway, I think some of you know your timetables by heart. You can just say it very quickly. Okay, that's good. Those of you, if you don't, please, you must try to memorize your tables, okay? Right. Okay, 8Cs, receiving students. Okay, your exercise for today's lesson. You have your primary school atlases in front of you, receiving students. Take out your primary school atlases. If you don't, you have a map here, map of Papua New Guinea, which your questions will be based on. Okay. So what you're going to do now is you can copy down these questions quickly so that I can just turn to the next slide. Okay. So we won't waste time. Okay, question number 1. A group of students traveled to Manus from Bougainville. What direction did they take? Okay. Again, the question reads, a group of students traveled to Manus from Bougainville. What direction did they take? Okay, receiving students, copy that question down quickly. That's number 1. If you finish copying that one down, I'll go to question number 2. Those of you don't finish it, you will copy from your friend. Okay. Okay, you should have finished with this question. Yes? Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2, the question reads, Simon lives in Goroka and decides to go for a holiday in Alotau. Okay, which direction will he take? Again, the question reads, Simon lives in Goroka and decides to go for a holiday in Alotau. Which direction will he take? Okay, that's question number 2. Receiving students, copy that one down. And then we'll move to the next question. Okay. Okay, finished? Yes? Okay, good. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3, it reads, the distance from Kiunga to Medeng is 100 centimeters on the map. Okay, the scale reads 1:50. How many kilometers is Kiunga to Medeng? Okay, again, the distance from Kiunga to Medeng is 100 centimeters on the map. The scale reads 1:50. How many kilometers is Kiunga to Medeng? Okay, number 4. Four and 5. Receiving students, copy down questions 4 and 5. Ismail, have you finished copying question 4? Sit here. Okay, for these two last ones, you fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blank. Indonesia is something of Papua New Guinea, the direction. PNG is something of Cairns. So if you have your primary school atlas there, you can look at the map. Okay, so those 7 questions. All right, those 7 questions, please. You answer those, get the direction and also the distance. There's one question that asks for the distance. That asks, travel to Manus from Bougainville. To Manus from Bougainville. What direction will they take? Northwest. Yep. Okay. Simon lives in Goroka. Where's Goroka? And decides to go for holiday in Alotau. Which direction will it take? Southeast. Distance from Kiunga to Madang is 100 centimeters on the map. Using the ruler, it's 100 centimeters. The scale reads 1:50. How many kilometers is Kiunga to Madang? How many kilometers on the ground? On the map, it's 100 centimeters. Okay. What is the direction of Vanimo? Vanimo from Leh. Northwest. Direction of Mount Hagen to Kaveng. All right, we'll correct the answers now. Question number 1, receiving students. All right, we'll have Charlie. Charlie, please come up to the front and show the direction here on the map, okay? Show the direction and tell the students your answer using the pointer.
They traveled northwest.
Again.
They traveled northwest.
So from where to where?
Bougainville to Manus.
Okay, again, please. Uh-huh.
They traveled northwest from Bougainville to Manus.
Okay, so your answer is northwest. Okay, you others agree? Okay, thank you, Charlie. All right, so the group of students, they traveled to Manus from Bougainville. So from Bougainville, that means from here to Manus. So they're going northwest. Okay, remember your direction points, your compass points, north, south, west, east. Okay, think of the word we, west, east. All right. Question number 2. Emmanuel. Okay, up here to the front. Please read the question and then you show the direction. Yep.
Simon lives in Goroka and decides to go for a holiday in Alotau. Which direction will he take? From Goroka to Alotau, Simon will travel southeast. Southeast.
Okay, you others? He said southeast. You agree? Yes, thank you, Emmanuel. So from Goroka, he travels all the way to Alotau. He's going southeast. So southeast. Good. Number 3. This time we have you to give the distance. Yeah. Okay, someone? Anyone wants to come here? The distance from Kiunga to Medang. Okay, it's 100 centimeters on the map. Okay, the scale reads 1:50. Emmanuel, can you pass this?
Thousand kilometers.
5,000 kilometers. Okay, can you just explain that 1:50, the scale? What does it mean?
TM is equal to 50 kilometers.
Okay, very good. That scale there, 1:50, the ratio, meaning 1 centimeter on the map represents 50 kilometers on the ground. Okay, so if it's 100 centimeters on the map, 100 times 50 gives you 5,000 kilometers. So that's the distance on the ground from Kiunga to Medang. Okay, next one, number 4. Direction of Vanimo from Leh. Someone please come to the front and show the direction on the map. Anyone? Let's have Donovan. Direction of Vanimo from Leh. Where's the mic? Oh, that's it. Oh, thank you.
What is the direction of Wanimo from Leh? Northwest. Northwest.
Animo from Leh? Northwest. Okay, he said northwest. Yes? Okay, receiving students. Okay, Vanimo from Leh. So you are in Leh and you go to Vanimo, that's northwest. Okay, number 5. Rachel, please come to the front. Okay, read the question, please.
What direction is Mount Hagen to Kavieng? Northeast.
Northeast. So, to Kavieng. Okay, thank you, Rachel. So from Mount Hagen to Kavieng is northeast. All right, thank you. All right, Indonesia is something of Papua New Guinea. So Papua New Guinea is here. Let's imagine where's Indonesia? Indonesia is somewhere here. So Indonesia is west of Papua New Guinea. Indonesia is west of Papua New Guinea. Receiving students? All right, PNG is something of Cairns. PNG is up here and Cairns is down there. So PNG is north of Cairns. PNG is north of Cairns because Cairns, Cairns is not here, but let's just say on the map. Okay. Okay. So 8Cs and receiving students, those are your directions. So I hope any questions appear in your exam paper, then you'll get your directions right. All right, thank you very much. Okay, I reminded you in our next lesson, receiving students, we'll have the Secretary for Education who will be talking to us, okay? And also to you, to us, every one of us. This will be regarding the grade 8 exams, national exams. Okay. So if there are any questions, make sure you prepare your questions, 8Cs. If you have anything to ask, do that. Okay, Samuel, Ishmael, and Donovan, I think we'll ask you to come up to the front and you'll sing a song for us. Because you're really laughing and... Would you like to come up and sing a song? No, then why are you laughing? You see, the camera is on you. You ready to sing a song? Any song? Okay, receiving teachers, our keyword for today, distances and directions. Thank you very much, everyone, for participating.